Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a balloon lightsaber. I'm super excited to show you this cool design, so let's get started. You will firstly need a black 160 modelling balloon, a dark blue 260 modelling balloon, a balloon pump and some scissors. Pump the blue 260 balloon most of the way, but leaving about a 4-finger space at the end, giving the balloon a bit of a tail. Give the balloon a good stretch, as we don't want this balloon popping on us. Then grab your black 160 balloon and pump it up most of the way, but giving it a bit of a tail. Then make a pinch twist, and then wrap the 160 balloon around the blue 260 and twist it in. Then create a 1-inch bubble followed by a pinch twist. And wrap the balloon around again, twisting it into the balloon. Just repeat these steps again until you reach the end of the balloon. Take your scissors and cut off the excess and tie it back into the balloon. I like to call the end of the balloon a pig nose. I have no idea why I call this, but anyway, tie this back into the pinch twist that you created at the start. Do the same for the blue 260, but tie it off at the end. And there you have it, your very own balloon lightsaber. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, as I will be making some more videos on my designs for balloons, so please stay tuned. I will see you next time in my next video. Bye!